Witness humanity's extraordinary journey, from fragile wooden wings to intelligent stealth aircraft dominating tomorrow's skies forever. The Wright brothers achieved humanity's first powered flight, forever transforming transportation, exploration, and the future of warfare. European pioneers rapidly improved, transforming experimental aircraft into practical tools for military reconnaissance. World War I transformed airplanes from experimental machines into deadly weapons, forever changing modern military strategy. The world's first aerial dogfights introduced fighter pilots, forever changing the nature of combat above battlefields. Dedicated fighter aircraft rapidly evolved, giving pilots faster machines, greater firepower, and unprecedented aerial superiority. America transformed aviation into a powerful industry, accelerating innovation through manufacturing, engineering, and ambitious pioneers. Long-distance flights inspired millions, proving aircraft could connect continents and transform global transportation forever. Strategic bombers emerged. They carried unprecedented destructive power. They redefined long-range military operations forever. The streamlined monoplane revolution dramatically increased speed, range, efficiency, and aviation technology before global war erupted. All-metal monoplanes replaced fragile biplanes, delivering unmatched speed, strength, reliability, and aerodynamic efficiency for modern aviation. Europe raced toward another devastating conflict, rapidly expanding powerful air forces with increasingly advanced combat aircraft. The Soviet Union rapidly expanded its aviation industry, building resilient aircraft for vast frontiers and future conflicts. China's aviation ambitions slowly emerged, laying foundations despite war, hardship, and limited industrial resources. A new global conflict approached as powerful air forces prepared to reshape history through unprecedented aerial warfare. The Battle of Britain proved determined fighter pilots could defend nations against overwhelming aerial invasion forces. The P-51 Mustang escorted Allied bombers deep into enemy territory, securing air superiority over Europe. Germany's Messerschmitt Bf 109 became one of history's most successful and feared fighter aircraft ever built. Japan's legendary Zero fighter dominated early Pacific battles through unmatched agility, range, and skilled aerial tactics. Heavy bombers carried devastating payloads across continents, transforming strategic warfare through unprecedented long-range air power. American industry produced thousands of advanced aircraft, overwhelming enemies through unmatched manufacturing capacity. Soviet aircraft combined rugged simplicity and firepower, helping secure victory across the brutal Eastern Front. China rebuilt its air power with Allied support, preparing for a new era of military aviation.
Jet propulsion revolutionized aviation, unlocking unprecedented speed, altitude, and possibilities beyond piston engine limitations.
The Messerschmitt Me-262 became history's first operational jet fighter, forever changing aerial combat and military aviation.
MiG at 2 o'clock high. The Korean War introduced the first large-scale jet versus jet battles, redefining modern aerial combat forever. First-generation jet fighters spread worldwide, ushering in a revolutionary aviation era. Breaking the sound barrier proved aircraft could exceed Mach 1. This opened extraordinary possibilities for future aviation development. Guided missiles transformed aerial warfare. They allowed pilots to engage distant targets. The Cold War accelerated aviation innovation. Rival superpowers competed for dominance across the world's skies. Supersonic fighters became faster, smarter, and deadlier as Cold War competition accelerated unprecedented aerospace innovation. Variable sweep wings allowed fighters to balance low-speed agility with extraordinary high-speed supersonic performance. Fourth-generation fighters combined agility, advanced radar, and digital avionics to dominate modern aerial warfare. The Soviet Union answered with formidable fighters, emphasizing speed, maneuverability, endurance, and long-range interception capabilities. Stealth technology fundamentally changed air warfare, making advanced aircraft dramatically harder for radar systems to detect. Precision-guided weapons and stealth aircraft transformed modern warfare through unprecedented accuracy, survivability, and operational effectiveness. Multi-role fighters replaced specialized aircraft, performing air superiority, strike, reconnaissance, and defense within a single platform. Fifth-generation fighters fused stealth, sensors, and networking into an unprecedented air combat capability for modern warfare. China entered the stealth era, rapidly advancing indigenous fighter technology and reshaping the global balance of air power. Russia modernized legendary fighters with advanced avionics, super maneuverability, and powerful sensors for 21st-century aerial dominance. Network-centric warfare connected aircraft, satellites, and command systems into one intelligent battlefield across vast distances. Unmanned combat aircraft began supporting pilots, expanding reconnaissance, precision strikes, and persistent battlefield surveillance capabilities. Artificial intelligence began transforming aviation, enabling autonomous systems and faster decisions. It created revolutionary future combat capabilities. Collaborative drone swarms introduced a new battlefield concept where many intelligent aircraft operate together autonomously. Sixth-generation fighters will combine stealth, artificial intelligence, and advanced sensors beyond today's aircraft limitations. Hypersonic aircraft concepts promised extreme speeds, compressing distances and transforming future global air operations. Autonomous wingmen will support human pilots, increasing combat effectiveness through teamwork between humans and artificial intelligence. Advanced stealth bombers will deliver global reach, precision attacks, and strategic power with minimal detection. Space-based systems and advanced aircraft will merge, creating a new era of aerospace dominance beyond Earth.
Artificial intelligence became the central force behind future aviation, controlling decisions, missions, and battlefield coordination. Fleets of drones transforming naval aviation and global power projection forever. Advanced propulsion technologies could redefine aircraft speed, efficiency, and endurance beyond traditional aviation boundaries.
Quantum computing and advanced sensors could create aircraft with unprecedented awareness and strategic decision-making capabilities.
Future aerial warfare will rely on interconnected, autonomous systems rather than individual aircraft alone. Advanced aircraft manufacturing combined robotics and artificial intelligence to build faster, smarter, and more adaptable aviation systems. Future pilots may command intelligent aircraft through advanced interfaces, blending human judgment with artificial intelligence. By 2050, aviation evolved into a connected ecosystem, combining aircraft, satellites, drones, and artificial intelligence. The future of aviation represents a century-long journey, from simple machines to intelligent flying systems. Human imagination drove aviation forward, transforming fragile aircraft into powerful symbols of innovation and exploration. From the first flight to intelligent aircraft, aviation history proves humanity's endless pursuit of the skies.